Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple and effective way to share a post to your Instagram story. Instagram is a powerful platform for connecting with friends and showcasing your favorite content, and sharing posts to your story can enhance your engagement. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Browse through your feed and find the post you want to share. This could be a friend's picture, a funny meme, or anything that caught your eye. Step 3. Once you've found the post, look for the paper airplane icon located just below it. This is the share icon, and it's your gateway to sharing that post. Step 4. After tapping the share icon, you will see several options. Select Add Post to your story from the list. This action prepares the post to be featured in your story. Step 5. Now it's time to get creative. Edit the post if you want to add text, stickers, or other fun effects that express your personality. Make it as unique as you are. Step 6. Once you're happy with your design, simply tap Your Story to share it with your followers. And just like that, you've successfully shared a post to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing!